Hi, everybody. Let's diagram a sentence together. And the sentence is, if people cannot write well, they cannot think well. And if they cannot think well, others will do their thinking for them. It's going to be a compound sentence, so we'll find the coordinating conjunction. It's also going to be a complex sentence with a dependent clause, if people cannot write well, preceding an independent clause, they cannot think well. Then we want to attach this to the second part. We also have a complex sentence down here in the bottom half. Others will do their thinking for them if they cannot think well. And if they cannot think well is a dependent clause. Altogether, we have a compound complex sentence. And if you'd like to do this independently, eventually, without any help, or if you'd like to teach others how to do this without help, just stick with the course, take it one video at a time, and before you know it, it'll be a piece of cake. So enjoy.